Welcome to Translated Science, Technology and Interesting Facts. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like it. Observe, listen and understand. Welcome to our series and channel. Can you imagine a metal that could melt in the palm of your hand at room temperature? This metal can do just that. What about a metal that could possibly replace silicon when mixed with nitride? Actually, this metal is known as gallium after the Latin word for France, Gallia. Despite its unique properties, gallium is metal and not a metalloid or non-metal. For example, it has a low melting point and it melts and becomes a liquid at 29 degrees Celsius, which is why it is possible for gallium to melt in your hand. Till now, gallium has been mined in China, Germany and Kazakhstan. It's difficult to find, though it makes up about 0.0019% of the Earth's crust. And it was never found on its own. Instead, it has to be separated from other. In its solid state, gallium is very soft, much like aluminium. You could cut through it with a knife, and even though it melts easily, it is much harder to boil. You would need to heat this metal to 3999 degrees Fahrenheit to make it boil. But what can we use gallium for? Most gallium is used in electronics and it's common in semiconductors, transistors and very small electronic devices. Gallium is able to turn electricity into light. So it's also used to make LEDs. It can also be used to make thermometers and mirrors. Gallium nitride is the metal that may replace silicon in much of our technology. Gallium nitride has a wider band gap. A band gap is how well a material can conduct electricity. With a wider band gap than silicon can sustain higher voltages and the currents can run through the device faster. As a result, gallium nitride electronics are far more efficient and lose less energy than their silicon counterparts. The benefit is smaller packages are more packing into similar area that was occupied by silicon and continuing with one upping silicon. Gallium nitride can survive higher temperatures. For example, the electronics in a car are mounted far away from the engine to keep them from getting too hot. Gallium nitride removes this constraint and could open new possibilities that change how future cars are designed. You may even have a gallium alloy in your mouth if you have eaten too many sweets. Because of its non-toxicity and ability to sustain a wide range of temperatures, gallium alloys are also a promising option to replace mercury dental fillings. It was even used in large quantities for neutrino detection experiment. The gallium experiment ran between 1991 and 1997 at the Laboratory Nazionale del Gran Sasso. The experiment was to detect solar neutrinos and prove theories related to the sun's energy creation mechanism. The detector tank was filled with gallium trichloride hydrochloric acid solution, which contained a massive 30.3 tons. It can be found across many industries, ranging from medicine to alloys and even nuclear weapons. Gallium is much more useful than you have expected, and if gallium nitride takes off, it could be very useful for electronics.